Flaccid. Just a quick one today, going to show you how to fix your folding mirrors. This is currently what mine looks like. Press the button now. That's all it does. Okay. Before I disconnect any wires, I'm just going to disconnect the battery. Probably don't have to do it, but better safe than sorry. Don't need any fault code. Just going to disconnect the negative terminal. Okay, that's the negative terminal off. Right, now to remove the outer casing. Not really sure how you do this, but I think you can just pull it off. Alright, hopefully I didn't break anything then. Heard that crack, but basically just push it away from here. If you push it away from the back, it just cracked, and then on the back you've just got the indicator connection, which we don't need to bother with. So I'm just going to hang that on the back. The thing we need to change is this. Apparently that's the thing that fails. I'm not into electronics, so I have no idea what that is. But yeah, that's the part. I got that from Cox Motorsport. Goodbye. There you have it, guys. Fixed. Still a bit jerky though, which is a bit weird. Oh well. So that's it then. That's how you fix your wing mirror thing that doesn't fold in like 5 minutes. Cheers.